So SEMrush is a tool that Profile Tree have partnered with for the last number of years. Traditionally, we've been using SEMrush for keyword analysis, competitor reports, as well as content planning. Now, SEMrush is a paid or a premium tool, but it does have the ability to sign up to a short trial or demo to allow you to try it out today. Now, what we want to do is that when we open SEMrush, on the left-hand side of the menu, we want to go to the Keyword Strategy Builder. Now, the Keyword Strategy Builder is a new feature from SEMrush. It incorporates AI and machine learning to help you predict or analyze the keywords of choice. What we'll do in this scenario is we'll use the Keyword Strategy Builder and we'll enter up to 5 seed keywords. Now, seed keywords are the effective cluster or the main leading topic that you want to do. Think of it like a group. If you want to rank or you want to have a keyword for doors, but those doors will consist of wooden doors, metal doors, composite doors, PVC doors. They are effectively the groups that fall within the seed. So I want you to think of the top level term. In this case, we're going to use our demo from earlier where we looked at sustainable home improvements. Now we're going to paste in just 3 examples. And what we want to do now is using the AI-powered tool, we want to now click on Create List. Now when we do this, SEMrush is going to go off and it's going to take a bit of time and it's going to review various keyword patterns, keyword clusters, as well as creating a comprehensive list. Now we're just going to give that time to finish that list and then come back to our report. So now that we've created our keyword strategy and planner, you'll see a couple of things coming up on screen immediately. The first thing that we can see is a topical overview. Now from our previous or from our earlier conversations, when we think about content creation, we want to show Google that we understand a niche or what's called a topical cluster. When we look at this, our topical clusters will best help us understand the seed keyword that we put in, so sustainable home improvements, and look at how that links to other terms or other topics. When we scroll down, we then have the keyword plan itself. Now, for those that have used SEMrush in the past, you might be familiar with this screen here. This is where we can see a list of the pillar page or the top keyword, and then the sub terms or the filler keywords that fall within that. And you'll see how we have just started with 3 topics. Now that we've ended up with a potential volume of keywords of around 1.5 million searches per month on average, simply by starting with 3 key terms and letting SEMrush's new AI builder set a plan and strategy. Now there's a lot of things that we can do with these terms. Number 1, we can actually export this content to a CSV or to an Excel sheet and take that to, for instance, ChatGPT, where we can use ChatGPT's new analysis feature that we just showed you to play this all together, to upload the keyword analysis and then that ChatGPT build blogs or write content from there. That's just one example. Another thing that we can do is send keywords just using the send keywords. And we can actually send those keywords to the keyword analysis writer within SEMrush itself, or we can send them to a custom list where we can build on that in the future and come back to it as well. As we scroll down, we can also expand on some of these keywords. We can look at this example here, like insulation rolls, where we can see a series of sub-level keywords, and including in that, we have the keyword on the left, we have the keyword difficulty on the middle column, and then finally the monthly average volume on the right-hand side. As well as that, we can also see reference websites that are currently ranking number 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the UK. Now, these are just some examples or use cases how we can now scale this up for our keyword strategy and our planning for your business to help you rank number 1 in Google search.